Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back to you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah! Today's unboxing is from Fish Wheels. If you guessed from Whatnot, then you are correct. The Fish Wheels link will be down below, so you can join his Whatnot, so you can check him out, do all that stuff. And my Whatnot link down below as well. TikTok, my links will be on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is in my bio on TikTok. So Jelly Beans, I will get right back to you. Oh, when you sign up to Whatnot on my link, you will get a $10 in-app credit. It's a live auction video feed. You get to talk with people, you get to talk with other customers and all that stuff. It's a really fun auction site. So I'll be right back so I can rip this box open. Yeah! Okay everybody, I have my trusty keys to open this up. I never have my keys with me all the time. I just have a hard time just opening everything up. I should just use my keys all the time. Even when I have them, I don't use them. But today, I'm using them. Box is open. Alright. Let's see what kind of goodies we got today. Oh, it's a one brick, but a few different items. Alright. Ooh, yeah. Let me see what we got here. Alright. Ooh. Let's start with this 1957 Chevy Nomad. Limited production. 5,880 pieces worldwide. This is nice and heavy. It's a really nice car. Very nice car. Ground pounders. Nice. Very nice. I like that. Very nice. Ground pounders. Alright. Here is a Diet Coke. Nissan, 1970 Nissan Fair Lady. That's a very nice car. Very nice. I like that a lot. I have a couple Nissans. I like that. It's really nice. And here we go with another M2, a 1959 VW microbus. Share a Coke with mom. This is amazing. I think I have more VW buses than anything else. These are amazing. I like these a lot. I like these VW buses. They're pretty cool. I love M2. M2's like probably one of my most favorite to collect. Really nice. So thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Or on TikTok, follow.